It's summer, it's hot, and there are some challenges dealership auto shops and customers face during summer. Let's go over a few. Summer equals service challenges. Summer heat is tough. Cars break down more, putting stress on employees and making customers less patient. The heat from customers can be worse than the sun. Workforce woes. Staffing is another issue. Hiring skilled technicians is challenging. Even if you can magically staff up for the summer, tech staff would struggle in other seasons and leave. Summer service is tough on everyone. Patience is key. Appointment delays are frustrating. Service departments are specialized. When you arrive, your technician might be tied up with another job, causing delays. To avoid frustration, patience is key. If you have an extended warranty, you might get a rental car. Switch service seasons. Consider servicing your car in April or May, before the summer rush. Early maintenance can be quicker and more thorough. Many shops are climate controlled, but doors opening and closing means it's still hot. Technicians often work on engines too hot to touch. Independent shops? Independent shops face similar challenges. Dealerships may have more bays, but smaller shops can be even more backed up. Schedule service midweek if possible. Mondays and Fridays are the busiest. Midweek can mean faster service. Again, patience is key. Supply issues persist. Part shortages are real and ongoing. Dealerships want your car out of the shop as much as you do. At a good dealership, they're doing their best under tough conditions. Patience and realistic expectations help everyone. Stay cool and keep calm. Visit CarPro.com for more tips.